Hello, everybody, and welcome to Echoes of History, where lost voices of the past finally get to speak. Imagine this. You are standing before the Great Pyramid of Egypt. Each stone weighs more than a modern truck. Each cut is so precise, a razor blade cannot fit between them. Now ask yourself one question. How? No steel, no electricity, no modern machines, and yet perfection. Tonight, we are not talking about myths. We are not talking about aliens. We are talking about old Egyptian technology, real, documented, physical technology that should not have existed at that time. Because the greatest mystery of Egypt is not what they worshipped. It is what they knew. Ancient Egypt was not primitive. It was systematic. Before a single pyramid was built, Egypt mastered measurement, geometry, load, distribution, stone behavior. They understood stone not as rock, but as material with rules. Consider this, granite is harder than copper, yet Egyptians cut granite smoothly, accurately, repeatedly. How? They used dolerite pounding stones, abrasive sand cutting, precision, leveling using water, geometry accurate to fractions of degrees. This was not trial and error. This was engineering. The pyramid bases are leveled within millimeters across football field distances. That is not ancient luck. That is ancient technology. Imagine standing beside workers moving 50-ton blocks using sledges, ropes, lubrication, and timing. No chaos, no confusion. Every movement calculated, every mistake punished by collapse. This was a civilization that could not afford error. And yet, they never wrote down their methods clearly. Why? Because technology in Egypt was controlled knowledge. Egyptian technology was not only for building, it was for domination. Their tools included composite bows capable of piercing armor, bronze blades balanced for efficiency, chariots engineered for speed and shock, stone drilling techniques with perfect circular cores. Even today, some drill marks in stone show uniform rotational patterns, something that suggests advanced technique, not random grinding. In war, technology decided survival. When the Hyksos invaded with superior weapons, Egypt adapted fast. They reverse-engineered enemy tech, improved it, then used it better. That is not primitive behavior. That is technological intelligence. They understood logistics, supply chains, tool standardization, battlefield efficiency. Egyptian armies were not mobs. They were mechanized systems powered by tools. And here is the disturbing part. Some technologies suddenly disappear from the record. Not evolve, not improve, disappear. As if deliberately removed. Egypt did not lose its technology. It hid it. Certain tools were buried with kings, certain methods restricted to priest engineers, certain paths sealed forever. Why? Because Egyptians believed knowledge could destabilize the world. Technology was power. Power needed limits. So they sealed chambers, destroyed instructions, passed secrets orally. Only fragments survived. Stone tells the story, but not the method. The pyramids stand like mute witnesses, refusing to explain themselves. And perhaps that was intentional, because some technologies are dangerous, not because they are violent, but because they change how humans see themselves. Today, Egypt is quiet. The machines are gone. The engineers are dust. The tools are broken or buried, but the evidence remains. Perfect stone, impossible alignment, unanswered precision. Old Egyptian technology was real, and it was far ahead of its time. Not magic, not aliens, human minds, working at their absolute limit, and then choosing silence. Perhaps the greatest technology Egypt ever created was not stone, but restraint. They built wonders, then walked away, leaving us to wonder. Thank you for spending this time with a knowledge the world almost forgot. If even a whisper of ancient genius reached you tonight, please like, subscribe to Echoes of History, and ring the bell. Some technologies are not lost. They are simply waiting to be remembered.